Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number of this laptop. So the serial number can be located on the back cover of the laptop. So first, let me turn it around to then show you the serial number location. Now let me move the camera closer. And right here you can find the serial number of your device as well as the product ID next to it, which is a very important part too. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.